Today we're here to talk about the exciting new XCEL Siren from Code 3. Our lead engineer on this project, Kyle Stussy, is going to walk you through some of the exciting new features and benefits of this siren.
Alright, here's the siren. So standard as every siren, you've got our 3-level switch, controls all of your lights. You've got a manual, your air horn button. Similar to our VCon, we've got the switch for your horn ring transfer between manual and air horn. We've got standby, wail, yelp, alt tone, which can be configured to be either hyper yelp or high-low, and then radio read broadcast. We've got 6 auxiliary push buttons here. All can be configured to be momentary or on-off, as well as position F can be 8-second timed. You may notice underneath the rotary knob 2 green LEDs, SP and LT. They're designed to continuously test the speaker load and your light fuses. I'm going to show an example of the speaker load failing. Flip my speaker load switch, and I lose my light indicator. That tells the officer that there's an issue with the speaker. It's going to retest every 3 seconds. When the siren realizes it has a good load again, the light re-enables. Same thing happens for the LT light. Now I'm going to walk through one of the new cool features about the siren that can be programmed in for auxiliary switch E. Auxiliary switch E can be programmed to hands-free. When enabled, it allows the officer to go hands-free, like said, being able to press the vehicle horn and you get siren and lights, level 3 lighting. Pressing the horn again changes tones. Pressing again, scrolls again. Pressing and holding turns it off. There are numerous other programmable features that include park kill, positive or negative, horn ring transfer, positive or negative, dimmable backlighting, and a host of other features. I'm going to show you how easy it is to program a new XCEL Siren. The example I'm going to show is latching one of our auxiliary switches to the 3-level switch. By placing the rotary knob in the radio, pressing and holding manual, and then hitting a special key code, the siren jumps into its first programming step. Example, moving to level 1 and pressing any of my 6 auxiliary switches is going to latch that auxiliary switch to the level indicator. Next, I'd like to discuss a few of the new features for service and installation. On the top of the siren, you'll notice automotive fuses for the 3-level switch as well as your auxiliary switches. In the rear of the siren, you'll notice a USB port, which is used for service diagnostics, as well as 4 quick disconnect plugs for easy installation. Allows the installer to pre-wire the car and then place the siren into the console. The last main feature of the rear of the siren is the dip switch panel. It allows for easy, quick configuration of certain features like Title 13, hands-free, siren lock, as well as the 3-level switch being independent, semi-progressive, or progressive, as well as many others. The top 2 green connectors also have LEDs above the connectors. That helps the service tech diagnose if there's a bad fuse. The LED will be lit at all times when the fuse is good. If a fuse is bad, you can look at the rear of the siren and diagnose which fuse is blown.
We hope you'd enjoyed your quick tour of the new XCEL Siren from Code 3.